Hey friends, how are you? Hope everything is going good, and in this video I will show you the product New Year's Deals 2021 made by Dowley. Okay, so this is a big value pack and also this is a cheap pack. Okay, let me show you this pack, but for one reason I can't show you this product from inside. I will clear you the reason also, but I can give you a overview and also I will show you the inside image. Okay, so let me start with the product now. So literally this pack is all about giving you kind of softwares and also private level rights information training. Okay, so this training will help you to grow online, to make money online, or to grow in social media marketing, kind of Facebook marketing or something like that. Okay, also you will be getting softwares as I already have told you. Okay, so this is also an image of inside, okay, of this tool, and this tool is created by the owner, name is Dowley, and inside the ratings this has got an excellent rating. As you can see, inside contents given this has got 100%, and inside value for money this has got 98%, which is brilliant, and inside market hits it has got 93%. Overall it has got 9.9 out of 10, which is an outstanding rating. So this is the product cost, which is 17 bucks. As you can see, this is already cheap. Let me show you what you are getting inside it. So this is the bonus value, and after the launch period the price will be rising up into $97, and this would be not shocking for me for anyone for this kind of pack, because this pack is really good valued pack. Okay, so let me show you. This is the description of this pack, and you are getting this kind of pack or this kind of softwares and also other products within just a 99% discounted price. Okay, or maybe more than that, 99 point something. Okay, so this is the inside image. Okay, so I can't show you the product from inside, though I have gone through this product, and this product has so many stuffs. Okay, but this product should be very much revealing to you, and that's why you should have no worry to see it inside. Okay, this product has so many registration codes. Okay, I can't reveal them inside this video, that's why I have put a violet mark inside it, on it. Okay, and that is the main reason I can't show you this product from inside. Okay, so this is the members area, and I have gone through it, and this product has so many softwares. Let me show you the softwares. So you are getting reseller packs like Insta multiplier. So this page will be given to you after purchasing the product via my page, via this page, via this review page from the video description. Okay, so inside this page you can get what you are getting inside this tool, and also it will be clear to you that why I am telling this tool is very much valued. Okay, so inside number 6 product you are getting 5 products inside it, kind of those are emoji pack, SEO pack, and also email pack. Okay, so many stuffs here, and all of the packs, for each and every packs this guy has given a description. Okay, so you have nothing to worry, you can read them and then you can choose your product. I have gone through the product, as I am repeating this word, I have really gone through the product, but I can't show you because this product has some registration code and I don't want to show them inside this video. Okay, so there are so many steps, you can go through this via my page. Okay, so this is the product, and this is ridiculously cheap. This product has blown my mind, and also I strongly recommend to get this product for any software user, social media user, or marketing knowledge seeker or something like that. And this is the sales funnel. Okay, so I have cleared you the front end product. So the next upsell is $47, which is 5 done for you setup, and the next one is 10 done for you setup, 79 bucks, and for 60 done for you setup he is charging $427. Okay, so this is the bonus from my side, though there is also a bonus pack from the owner side, and once you have purchased the product, the bonus kind of 9 or 8 or 10 softwares will be given to you as by default. Okay, And for my bonuses, let me show you. I have started with games. I have just categorized so many bonuses and I have tried to give you from every aspects. Okay, so firstly, there are 5 games. They are really popular games that will be given to you totally free. And if you are not a game loving person, then I have something more for you. Okay, so you are getting case studies from my side. These are really good case studies. I have mentioned here the title of the case studies, and you are getting Facebook help, you are getting YouTube helping hand also, and you are getting so many ebooks that can help you to nourish yourself, to nourish and also to grow you as a online marketer. And let me clear you, these all are I have already showed the bonus I have showed to you recently. These all bonuses are for front end product. Once you have purchased any upsell products, those are mentioned here. Let me show you. Once you have purchased from my side upsell 3, upsell 2, upsell 1, then you will be given more, and that is crazy. Let me show you. You can get 200 plus softwares, and you can get 75 plus plugins, 1k plus high quality graphics images, and 1.46k doodle character images. These are really trending these days and also needy. And you will be also getting 100 miscellaneous product with resale rights. Okay, so you can sell them as you are the owner. Okay, so also you are getting 3 games, 3 PC games, but these 3 games are also restricted to first 10 members. Okay, so you can get I can't help myself to give these all of the customer, because those who are coming firstly, they should serve firstly, they should got the opportunity. That's why I have chosen this method. And let me clear you that after purchasing the product, you have to follow this path or this way to get my bonuses. So after purchasing the product, you have to go through your purchase history option. Inside your purchase history option, inside your Warrior Plus account, you can get your purchase history option. Inside your purchase history option, after purchasing the product, inside your purchase history option, you will be given this blue button. This exact blue button will give you my bonuses. This is named as Access Affiliate Bonus, and via this button, you can get my bonuses. And I have given the product overview, I think. So you are literally getting 48 products. Let me show you the number. Okay, so much stuffs are there as I am let me it is taking time to dragging down this cursor. Okay, so this is the last product, 48 products, and he is charging only 17 bucks. And he just made the launch period very short, because after that he will rise up the money. Okay, so this is this guy has said the launch period for just 3 days. Okay, so that was a product overview and also my bonus overview. So I am signing out for the day. I am wrapping up the video, so bye bye.